Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here to wrap up the day. Bell just rang, and I had put a chart out earlier about compression and expansion. We'll talk about that in a minute. But this band ride, this upper band ride, continues. They had leveled it off a little bit. They came back to deal with 97.5, but ultimately the upper band held as support, and they really popped it up and through. They've done as high as 17.5. A few handles of profit taking into the close. And the onus is really, really on the bears now to perform in some fashion. So here is the hourly chart that we were talking about today. We had the compression last week that headed to the upside. Compression this week, we popped up. Now you've got to see, can the bulls finish and continue to take this to the upside towards the, 29, 30, towards wherever they want to take it. That's the trouble about trading in the area of all-time highs, where every high is a new all-time high. I mean, you're basically in blue sky. So it puts the pressure on the bulls to execute. As long as the bulls continue to do that, they should be fine. We ended up getting long right in the 29.07 area. We waited for confirmation. We took our own advice this morning and we kind of let the thing compress. I didn't really want to get it down here. I mean, retrospectively, it would be nice. But we waited for the move. We got the move, and we got a solid 10 handles off of it. I still have a runner from it. We've taken profits, and we're going to let it run its course for the rest of the night. We have a shorter-term long at 13 against matching lows at 11.5 that we're trying to let work. Here, let's look at a 5-minute chart. So here's the 5. I'll back it out a bit. Little inverse head and shoulders kind of sort of happening here. Then you had OPG go support. I didn't want it in here. I mean, how many false breaks are you going to have? How many times are you going to get your nose bloody? I wanted to wait for it to convert our proprietary level here. Then we bought this little pullback that confirmed it, and then we got the breakout. So, it's a lot safer way to make 10 handles. So you can see them. It's coming off a little bit here. You've got VWAP here at 09. I will be interested to see if overnight the bears are able to take out these little matching 5-minute lows here at 11.25. I think that's going to be a key area, so keep an eye on that. All right. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic night. I will catch everybody in the morning for the market webcast. Trade them well.